Okay, well, take two. So the question is how do we go from this to this? That is actually the same water bottle. And what was the transformation process? Well, it was this. Here's a little alcohol. Spray some in there. That is the scientifically measured amount of some. We're going to take it, we're going to shake it up in there because what we want are the alcohol vapors. Next, we take the blowtorch and do this. Here we go. That's not working very well, is it? No, it's not. Spread it around a little more with air. Try it again. Wow, that worked beautifully when I wasn't filming. Okay. Well, if at first you don't succeed, try again. So it's about 65 degrees outside today. And it does make a little bit of difference because the alcohol doesn't like to vaporize if it gets too cold. That's what we're told, but it worked beautifully the first time. Not sure what's going on here. There we go. Boom. Ah, now can you see that? The fire started to melt it. Let's see what happens if we do it again. But we can't do it again until we add more oxygen to the system. Like that. Woo! Yeah, baby. That's what we like. That was fun. Oh, I'm starting to see the transformation. Yeah. Oh, big transformation. Yeah, wow. Cool. That is not doing the same thing that it did before. We're getting a top-down collapse instead of a body collapse. Still fun, though. Woo! Nice. Gotta give a shout out to my wife who saves these. She does not drink tap water. Well, none of us drink tap water. And I've told her that I need these for science. And she has done a very good job at saving them for me. Woo! That's cool how sometimes it's fast, sometimes it's slow. No melting on that one? Okay. So what you can't see is that I've got my safety glasses on because every time I spray that, a little bit of alcohol comes out. And if you get alcohol in your eyes, ouch! Ooh, cute little fast one. Well, how many times is this going to work? Well, there's still quite a bit of alcohol in there still. Or liquid, anyway. Woo! Pooh, pooh. Oh, little cracking, little cracking. All right, so let's, looks like he's now smaller than his sibling. So let's bring the sibling back up. A little bit more alcohol in there. Ooh, and that is pretty warm. Not gonna lie, that's look too warm to touch, actually. And here we go. Oh, nice and gentle. Thank you, gentle volcano fire. Ooh, that's not going down. That's just hovering right at the top. Now again, if you don't remember, we're adding oxygen into it because when the alcohol burns, it of course just creates the alcohol exhaust and all the oxygen is gone. So you need to replenish the oxygen because all fires use oxygen. Which brings us to another point, a question that a lot of people seem to be misinformed of. Is oxygen flammable? No, it's not, actually. It is a part of fire, and that's not the same thing as being flammable. In fact, if we filled these containers up with oxygen and put a little bit of fire by it, the thing would not explode. What would happen is our little splint of fire, or matchstick, or whatever we're using, would glow brighter, and that's about it. However, if these were full of hydrogen, that would be a different story. The whole thing would go boom! And that's what we usually associate with being flammable, is a big explosion. But oxygen, if you put fire to it, will not go boom. A lot of people don't know that. Because we see a lot of signs that say, warning, oxygen in use, no smoking. And so we think that that's going to cause a huge explosion. Nope, it won't. Just a little fun science fact today. So if I counted right, I think we got 5 times of that before we had to refill it. Woo! That was a good one. Nice. Cool. Try this a few more times. Air. Beautiful. Very nice. Now, just to show you that this won't work unless we put air in it, watch what happens now. A little bit. A little bit of air has creeped down in there in the meantime while I was just talking, but not enough to really make it a vibrant and dynamic volcano explosion like that. Nice. In fact, we've done this so much that my air compressor is now about running out of air. We're down to about 20 psi. So this is going to be the last one. Let's see what it's going to do. And it's going to die. Oh, they both did it. Cool. Science.